Unraveling the meaning of Lowkey. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a contemporary phrase that's been making waves in everyday conversation. Lowkey. By the end of this video, you'll have a grasp on its meaning and how to use it in various contexts. Let's jump right in. Lowkey originally comes from music, where it refers to a low range of sounds. When something is in a low key, it tends to be soft, muted, or subtle. This musical term has evolved into a slang phrase in everyday English, but it still carries that essence of being understated or subdued. In today's slang, Lowkey is used as an adverb to emphasize a statement but in a subtle way. Here are a few examples. 1. I Lowkey want some ice cream right now. This means the speaker wants ice cream but isn't desperately craving it or making a big deal about it. 2. That movie was low-key good. The movie was surprisingly good, but the speaker might not want to overly praise it. It can also be used to express a feeling or thought that might be a bit secretive or not openly discussed. I'm low-key annoyed at him. The speaker is slightly annoyed but might not be showing it openly. While low-key is a versatile phrase, it's essential to use it appropriately. Do's. Use it to express subtle emotions or thoughts. Pair it with statements where you're sharing a less intense feeling about something. Don'ts. Overuse it in every sentence. It'll lose its impact. Use it in extremely formal situations. It's more suited for casual conversations. And there you have it. Lowkey is a fun, contemporary way to express subtle feelings or thoughts. It adds a touch of nuance to your statements, making them more relatable and current. We hope this video has shed some light on this popular slang. Keep practicing, and Lowkey, you'll master it in no time. Happy learning!